Ni hao. Hello in Mandarin Chinese. Welcome to Chinese Home Cooking Weeknight Show. Our demonstration today is Basil squid, a dish inspired by Thai cuisine. Squid is also called calamari. Squid is a popular food in many parts of the world. Here in the U.S., fried squid is a staple in the seafood restaurants as an appetizer. In Korean cuisine, squid can be eaten raw with seasonings. Squid stir-fry with vegetables is popular among Asian cuisines. Here in the U.S., basil squid stir-fry is mostly associated with Thai cuisine. Now, before we start, let's take a look at what we need for the dish.
Here's the list of ingredients.
Before we start cooking, let's work on the preparation of ingredients. 8 ounces frozen squid rings, defrosted. The rings are cut about ½ an inch wide. We are going to marinate the squid with ½ teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon Chinese cooking wine. You can use dry sherry as the substitute. Mix well. Set aside 8 ounces green pepper, thinly sliced, 8 ounces onion, thinly sliced, 20 pieces basil leaves, 4 tablespoons ginger infused oil. Previously, I did a show on how to DIY ginger infused oil. If you do a search on my channel, you should be able to find it. 1 teaspoon salt for the entire dish. 1 teaspoon cornstarch mixed with 2 tablespoons water. We finished the preparation and now we are ready to cook. I am turning on the electric wok to 350 degrees, which is high heat for the electric stove or medium to high heat for the gas stove. I am adding 4 tablespoons ginger infused oil to let it heat for 1 minute until the oil is hot. It's been a minute. The oil is hot. We're going to cook the onion for 1 minute until the onion is slightly soft. It's been a minute. The onion is slightly soft. We're going to cook basil and squid for 1 minute until the squid has shrunk somewhat. It's been a minute. The squid has shrunk somewhat. Now we're going to add green pepper and the salt to cook for 2 minutes until the green pepper is slightly soft. It's been 2 minutes. The green pepper is slightly soft. Now we're going to add cornstarch mixture to cook for 1 minute until the sauce is thickened. It's been a minute. The sauce has been thickened. It is done.
Let's have a quick review of what we done.
I hope you enjoy this dish, which is fast, affordable, and tasty. Happy home cooking. I look forward to seeing you again very soon.